Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this tripod from Eucos. And so I do want to thank Eucos for actually gifting this to me. And so with this tripod, this is what it looks like. And the first thing that you don't want to do is that you don't want to read the instructions without knowing how to use this first. So basically all the components on this Eucos tripod have like an unlock and locking mechanism. And I know that sounds obvious, but again, when I first got it out of the box, the first thing that I was trying to do was open up the legs when in reality, I should have unlocked the leg. So in order to unlock the legs, all you've got to do is twist this orange ring, and then you can actually unlock the tripod legs and push it all the way down. So once you have this pushed down, all you've got to do is twist this to the right so it locks. And then the actual extension of the tripod actually pulls out. And so what that looks like is this can go up to pretty high, as you can see there. And so it is height adjustable and it feels very sturdy. Okay, so that's one thing I really like about this. The legs feel sturdy as well. Now, as far as the head goes for where your phone mount attaches to, this piece right here actually does extend just by untwisting this portion here. So you can see that it can go pretty wide as far as fitting a variety of different size phones. And then placing your phone in here, you simply would just go ahead and tighten it up. Now, as far as this head goes, you could actually go ahead and twist this multiple different ways, and then you can lock it. And then this right here, again, if you unlock it, this is going to allow you to twist this portion right here. So you've basically got like a 360 spinner as far as pointing your phone in different directions go. Now, the last thing that you have is a camera presser. And so this button right here will connect via Bluetooth to your mobile device so that you can actually go ahead and click the camera shutter button and take a photo. But overall, I'd say that this is a pretty lightweight tripod. I mean, it looks great. It feels great. It feels high quality. It doesn't take up a lot of room, so I plan on taking this with my wife for future trips so that we have a way to take pictures of ourselves and we don't always have to ask someone. But it's a really neat tripod. I'd say the only thing is that I do wish it had like I'm like a huge fan of wrist straps. So when I did see this wrist strap for the little remote, I mean, it makes sense just because this one's really tiny, but it would have been great to have another wrist strap attachment to the tripod itself, just to free up your hands and such. But overall, it doesn't take up a lot of room. It can easily fold in and you can pack it into your backpack. But I've had no problems with it whatsoever.